What's up everyone? I'm back today with a product review. However, this one is a little bit special. It's the first product sent to us for review. So a big thank you to Fifine. However, I will be giving my own insight on if it's good, bad, or worth it. So let's just get into it. Now, I'll be honest, I wasn't expecting much out of a $20 lav mic. However, the weight and the build quality is amazing. It feels hefty and durable right as you pick it up. Now, a few things that come included with the mic are a 79-inch cord extender, allowing long distance and flexibility of movement from where you stand compared to the camera. A very useful mic splitter in case you want to set up multiple devices to either your camera or your computer. A 3.5 to 2.5 TRS adapter for desktop and camera use. 3 different colored wind covers and an extra mic clip which feels super sturdy. And I kid you not, the Velcros feel amazing. The mic is also 59 inches long and it comes with a 12-month warranty. And you can wrap it all up in this kinda neat carry bag with the Fifine logo on the front. Now, all this for $20 is a great deal. If you're starting a YouTube channel and want something to record your voice, it can go straight to your voice memos on your iPhone. Maybe you want the versatility that comes with a lav mic. Now, it's not the greatest microphone in the world. Like I said, it's just $20 and you cannot use it to replace your microphone when taking a call, but for an iPhone microphone, it's pretty good. Now, what it doesn't include is the 3.5 to lightning port adapter that comes with iPhone, so you're gonna need to provide that in case you wanna use this with an iPhone. If you have an Android, well, you're fine. Now, I could compare this mic to other types of lav mics. However, I don't think that that's the point of today's video. I could also compare it to things like the AirPods microphone or other types of microphones in general. However, what I do see a lot of people using today is the included Apple headset that comes with all iPhones. So, yep, that's what we'll be using as a comparison. Now, I do think that everyone that owns an iPhone has in some way or form used this headset as either a microphone or as just a headset to listen to music, so they don't need any type of introduction. What we do need to use is this right here. But yeah, F to a microphone jack, but there's nothing we can do about that. Let's just get into the comparison and see if we can find any type of difference. So let's put it on and switch. So this right here is what the lav mic sounds like. I put it on the collar of my t-shirt and we're gonna use a few words like plosives to see what the response is like. So Peter, pizza, popper. And now we're gonna move a little bit to see if the movement impairs anything that the mic is picking up. So we're gonna keep talking and keep moving side to side, moving my shoulders a bit to see if it rubs on the t-shirt, but no, nothing like that happens. Now let's switch off to the iPhone headset. So now we'll be using the headset and using words as plosives like pizza popper, and moving the microphone as well. Pizza popper, moving myself a bit as well to see if it rubs on my t-shirt. Pizza popper, and words like S, so soccer, system, moving the microphone a bit to see if it catches on anything or anything impairs the reading of the microphone with the words that I'm saying right now. So this is the microphone right now. Do you see any type of difference between them? The difference I did see was the visibility of the microphone and how the movement affected. Post edit Nick here, and I found it a bit odd that you couldn't see my face, so hi. I hope you enjoyed the video. As always, I want to know your opinion, so comment down below and let me know. I'll see you next time.